Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. I woke up around 5 p.m. as I have an online class at 6 p.m. up to 8 p.m.
Diba? Parang napapasimangot ka na lang din. Or parang ayaw mo na lang ding ingiti yung ano mo kasi baka mamaya sabihin.
So this is what I typically do from Mondays through Fridays. Enjoy watching. Don't forget to follow.
Kunyari, example yung Belar, kunyari naik. Tapos, saan ba yung may malaking ano dito?
My shift starts at 10 p.m. and ends 7 in the morning. After dinner, I just watch TV until 10 p.m. so I won't get exhausted before starting my work.
Hi Kyle, this is Princess from Global Facility. I'm calling about the automatic door repair. So I called our technician and he told me that they are already on site, checked in at 9 in the morning, 9:18. I just wanted to confirm if they're really on site. May tao sa labas. They are so maingay. Hi Judith, this is Princess from Global Facility and I'm calling about the wall covering. May I speak with the manager on duty? Thank you. Basically, I'm calling because I wanted to know if the store already received the wall covering. Do you happen to know about it? The wallpaper for the main sales. Thank you so much, Judith. You have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye-bye. This is what I'm doing every night. Right now it's almost 2 and it's almost my lunch break. So normally on my lunch break, I am taking a nap. Sometimes nagla-live sa TikTok or kumakain. Medyo nagugutom ako tonight, pero nagdadalawang isip ako kung kakain ba ako or hindi. But anyway, yeah. This is what I normally do. Fuck you. Anyways. Hi guys. So right now it's 2 o'clock and it's my lunch break. And wala talaga akong ginawang script ko nung vlog gagawin ko today. So love this. So go with the flow na lang muna ako. Kasi first vlog pa lang naman ito eh. And maybe it's a night in my life. Ako lang mag-isa palagi. So, nagugutom ako. Medyo nahilo ako. So, I'm gonna eat. And my darling is there. Ayan o. Or tinapay. And ayan siya. Sabi niya dito daw siya matutulog. Actually, we're having a conversation about plans and all earlier. Pero, habang nagdadrama ako, bigla na lang naghihilig. Tinulugan niya ako. So, hindi ko alam kung naririnig niya na ba ako ulit or nagising siya kasi nag-iingay ako na ako. So, yung company namin is Civicom Pacific. Para lang ako naka-live. The office is located in Alabang. Kung nadadaanan niyo yung Uni Oil, guys. Dun yung building niya. Yung mga ino-offer na position dito is not customer service, tech support. Just like the regular call center companies, hindi siya ganon. Our company is more on offering mga positions sa mga freelance, ganon. I'm so thankful in this company, guys, kasi talagang inaalagaan nila yung mga empleyado nila. Gusto kong tulungan yung mga aspiring, gustong mag-work sa company namin. Live muna ako sa TikTok. Okay, I'm back. I'm back from lunch break and from my TikTok. It's already 3:24. So here are the availability that we offer here in our company, guys. We have content strategist and writer, account manager, business transcription specialist, tech security specialist. That's available in Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. We also have home-based transcribers. Home-based. We also have training coordinator, technical product manager, client security officer, healthcare specialist, data migration specialist, account manager. We also have BPO collection specialist, guys. Customer support specialist, account specialist, vendor relation. That's my current job. We also have bilingual, which is Spanish. That's virtual patient and care specialist. We also have virtual patient care specialist position. We also have healthcare specialist and internship, guys. So I'm gonna open at least one maybe to let you know how much is the offer. Doon na tayo sa account specialist vendor relation. So the salary range here, pero ibang account it's not our account. Salary range is 30 to 35 total package. The role is on site at our Alabang location. For the work schedule, it's fixed Mondays to Fridays from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Manila time. Pero pag DST, 10 to 7. Full-time employment and opportunity to be regularized in as short as 3 months. Actually, guys, I was regularized after 3 months. Day 1, my HMO na. So, if you're willing to be part of our company, let me know.
Hanap ka na ng damit. No oras na.
45, 48.
Anong 48? Hindi pinapansin ang mundong kapaligiran. Kunin mo na yung ano at papak na yung chinapay. Hi guys, it's already 4 a.m. and right now we are already preparing. Ayan, naginit ako. Para sa sandwich. Oh my gosh. So nagdi-defrost ako ng burger. Kasi, lulutuin na siya later. See you. Second. Third. Tuwing ika'y papalapit na, hawakan mo ang aking kamay. Pasok na siya. Pasok ka na, Mal. Our house is makalat.
Bago ka matulog, baka kaya makanitin yung ulam para hindi mapaan.
Yung sabaw? Hey guys, I'm back. It's already 7:34 in the morning. And I already ended my shift. But I think I'm exhausted. I'm so tired, guys. So ngayon, kakain siguro ako or what? I don't know what to do, guys, because I'm so tired. I wanted to sleep. But I wanted to eat. Pero wala namang sinaing. Magsasayang pa ako. Anyways, yeah, thank you so much guys sa pagsama sa akin ngayon. So this is just my welcome vlog for my Facebook. And I'm sorry if medyo magulo siya kasi hindi ako nagsulat ng script or hindi ako nagplano. I just film a video. So, I'll make sure on my second video on this Facebook would be beneficial, informative, and helpful to you guys. That's what I typically do every night during my shift. I hope you will watch my next videos. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Don't forget to follow. Tulog muna ako. Night.